Hello all and welcome to today's video. My name is John McFall and I want to welcome you to the McFallRI channel where I teach you how to make $25 to $30 an hour doing food delivery, and I also teach you how to do semi-passive income. This is what I do and this is what I teach, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Today I'm starting a new series, and this series is going to be about my journey on YouTube. A lot of people are afraid of getting something going with their semi-passive income business, and YouTube is a great tool that you can use to start your own semi-passive income business. I wanted to do my first video and kind of talk to you about the journey up to this point, because I just got monetized on YouTube, and I want to talk to you over the series about what I'm doing and how I'm doing it so that you can possibly take away some great information that will help you on your journey to get your YouTube channel started. Before we get into the topic, I do want to remind you that in my description I have some great tools for you guys, and the one I want to talk about, because this is a YouTube series, is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a tool that I have used since I started this YouTube channel, and I've used it on others. It has helped me get more views, it's helped me get more likes, it's helped me get subscribers more quickly than if I had not used it. I'm going to throw a quick video up here so you guys can check it out real quick.
Whether you're looking to improve an existing YouTube channel or you're starting out fresh, TubeBuddy can help. This Google Chrome extension is a safe, convenient way to grow your following. SEO tools help you choose keywords to maximize visibility, while analytics give you precise insights into your channel's progress. You can edit thumbnails and descriptions en masse, or post videos to your Facebook without having to leave the site. It can even audit your content to help prevent devastating demonetization. You can try TubeBuddy for free, but some features require a monthly subscription. Click the link below to learn more.
If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, TubeBuddy can be a great tool for you. If you already have a YouTube channel, TubeBuddy can be a great tool for you. I want to say that if you do get a paid version after clicking on the link in my description, I do get commission for it, but you can use TubeBuddy for absolutely free. And as your channel grows and you want bigger and better tools to use to help boost what your channel is doing, you can get into the paid version. So head down into my description and go grab that link for TubeBuddy if you want to start your own YouTube channel, or you have one and you want to make it better. And with that, let's get into the topic. So when I hit my 1,000 subscribers and my 4,000 hours of watch time, I went on YouTube. I found a great video that tells you how you can get monetized in 4 hours. I'm going to put a link in the description for the video today, but I followed the directions of what this video told me, and I was literally, it might have been 4.5 or 5 hours, but when I did what the video suggested, my channel got monetized in about 4.5 to 5 hours. If I hadn't done this, I don't know how long it would have taken, but I've heard that it can take a long time once you apply for the YouTube Partner Program to get monetized. So check out the video in the description if you're headed towards that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, so you can figure out how you can get monetized as quickly as possible. So I want to talk to you about my journey on YouTube, because it took me about 9.5 months to get to the point where I got monetized on YouTube. It wasn't the quickest. People have done it a lot faster, but I Also know that I'm not the one that's taken the longest to get monetized on YouTube. I just kind of went at my own pace. And that's the first thing that I want to tell you is don't worry about what everybody else is doing on YouTube. Don't worry about how quickly you are getting to that 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of watch time, because it is completely dependent upon you. It's dependent upon your channel. It's dependent upon the niche that you're in, and it is dependent on the quality of your content. When I started this YouTube channel, I was new into YouTube. I did not have any clue what I was doing. I've done a couple of other channels that were just kind of hobbies, but I had never taken a look at YouTube as far as doing my marketing strictly on this platform to build my business. And when I started this channel, that is the exact approach that I took on it. So what did it take me to get here? What took me to that 1,000 subscribers and that 4,000 hours of watch time? Well, as I said, it took me about 9.5 months to get my channel monetized. And in that 9.5 months, I created content on a regular basis. When I first started my YouTube channel, I decided I was going to post 2 videos a week to get it going. And after doing that for a couple of weeks, I changed what I was doing and I decided I was going to do it 3 days a week. And the reason that I decided to go 3 days a week instead of 2 days a week is obviously because the more content you put out there, the more people will see your videos and the quicker you can grow your channel. I don't want to do videos every single day in my niche on this channel. However, I know that to get the most viewers, to get the most likes, to get the most subscribers, I've got to be pumping out content 3 times a week, and this is how I am growing my channel. The total amount of videos that it took me to get to that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time sits right around 150. I will say that about 25 of those videos are shorts, but the shorts were very instrumental in me getting my channel to get in front of more people. So I had a total of about 300 hours and 150 videos. And I want to talk to you about what the hours entailed and what I did during those hours so that I could grow my YouTube channel. So the first thing obviously is recording the videos, and when I record my videos, I record them straight through. If I make a mistake during the recording of the video, I will just pause while I am recording the video and I will fix that mistake and I will move forward so that this keeps me from having to stop and restart recording my videos. And my videos take me probably about 20 minutes to record the whole video, and at the end of it, the video ends up being somewhere between about 10 and 15 minutes long. So when I record videos, I just turn on my camera, I go at it, and for me personally, I know what I want to talk about, and I don't really script a whole lot. I do create outlines sometimes for some of my videos when I want to talk about specific points in them, but overall, I'm just freestyling it while I'm out here on this camera and kind of going off of the hip so that I can get the message across that I want to get across. And then once I record the video, then I download it to OneDrive. I keep it cloud-based because I can download videos directly from my phone to the cloud, and then when I get home and get on my computer to edit the videos, I can pull up that file on that computer without having to try to transfer it from my phone by plugging it in and downloading it and all that. So I just use OneDrive so I can upload all my videos right there and get on my computer and pull them right from that drive and start editing them. And then when I get to the computer to edit the videos, it typically takes me about a half an hour. The videos I produce on my channel are quite simple in comparison to some other great, videos that you see out there. My editing doesn't go too far. I simply cut my videos at the beginning and the end. I piece them together. I take out the stuff that doesn't need to be there, and then I throw in some pictures maybe, or a video like in this video where I put the YouTube video in. I throw that in and it's done. So when I go to edit my videos, it takes me only about a half hour to edit one of my videos. Once I get my videos edited, I upload them here onto YouTube, and that process probably takes me about 15 to 20 minutes to upload the video and create the description and the title, and to put my tags in and to put keywords in. So it takes me probably about 20 minutes to get my video uploaded to YouTube and have everything in my description and my title that I need, so that the YouTube algorithm will check out and see my videos once it actually goes live. So my total time between recording and editing and uploading a video to YouTube is somewhere between about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes total. So if you're interested in doing videos, just know, even if you go simple, even if you just take a simple approach to it, it can still take you a little bit of time each week for each video. As I said, I do 3 videos a week, so this process during my week takes me a total of about 4 to 5 hours. Now, this isn't all I have to do for my YouTube channel. This is just the basic foundation of actually getting videos put up on the platform. There's other things that I have to do to get my YouTube channel headed in the right direction and to create the content that I put out here. The first thing is obviously research. I know a lot of my topics because what I talk about, especially in food delivery and in semi-passive income, but a lot of what I talk about is based on my own experiences and what I've done. So it's really easy for me to come up with the content for a lot of my videos. Other videos actually take me some time, because when I want to talk about a topic that I am not familiar with, I have to do a little bit of research on it, and I have to implement what I'm learning so that I see what the outcome is. So when I put my video together, I can talk about it. So research is a key component in the videos that I put together. And if you are trying to teach stuff to people and how to do things, you're going to have to research so that you can put together the content in a way that you can teach it to your audience. So doing research includes doing or looking at videos on YouTube. I watch videos on YouTube for content. I also do research on Google, and I will read stuff and I will find stuff that is related to the topic that I want to talk about, so that I can put some really good relevant content together for my subscribers. And I would say overall, when it comes to researching, I watch videos almost daily, and I also do research a couple of times a week on Google. So I probably have 4 to 5 hours a week where I'm actually doing research specifically for my videos. Beyond that, the other time that I spend in YouTube and working my YouTube channel is I have responded to every single comment that somebody has posted on my channel. Engaging your audience is really important if you're trying to build a following, if you're trying to build a subscriber base, if you're trying to build a network of people. Then it is very important when you have a YouTube channel to start answering and responding to the comments in your videos, so that you can get those people to come back and continue watching your videos. So this is very important to engage your audience, because this is why you're putting content out on YouTube, to get people to come to you. The final thing I want to talk about is actual marketing on my YouTube channel and what I've done to market my channel. And it is actually quite simple what I've done. I literally had business cards printed. I am out doing food delivery multiple times a week, and when I am out in my marketplace and I am delivering and picking up orders, I run into other people that are out here doing food delivery all the time, and it is very rare that I will run into the same person more than a couple of times when I'm out in my marketplace. So I actually printed some business cards, and when I'm out doing food delivery and I run into somebody, I start talking to them and I ask them, you know, questions about how long they've been doing food delivery and how well they're doing at it, and I will give them a business card and turn them to my YouTube channel to learn how to do food delivery the right way. I can tell you that I've had about 175 clicks on my link, and the only thing that I've done is handed out business cards, and that is about it with that YouTube channel link in there. So I know that my business cards are working. And then beyond that, the other thing that I have in place is I've started collecting email addresses through my YouTube videos with my metric spreadsheet, and this has gotten me about 240 people that have signed up for my metric spreadsheet since I started talking about it about 6 months ago. And there are about 211 people that I have on my email list. And what I do with my email list is every Monday I put out an email to that list of people talking about the videos that I have coming up in my next week for my YouTube channel, so I can pique the interest of the people and have them come back to my channel each week to watch the videos that I put out. So what I want to do in this YouTube series is I want to take you along the journey that I'm going on now that I've actually been monetized, and I want to show you what I do, and I want to show you the results. Do I know if I'm going to be successful at it or not? I don't, and I am going to make choices that might be good. I'm going to make choices that might be bad, but I'm going to take you along this journey on my YouTube channel and how my YouTube channel started and where it's going, so that you guys can see that even if you don't have a network, even if you don't have money to invest, even if you only have an iPhone to record on, and that's all you got, that you can start your own YouTube channel in the niche that fits you, and you can grow that YouTube channel and make a business out of it. So I'm happy to take you along on this journey, and I hope that you get a lot out of it, because it's something that virtually anyone can do if they do it the right way. I really hope that you enjoy this series, and I hope that you get a lot out of it and learn along the way with me. The next steps that I'm doing in my journey is I'm learning how to do some, a little bit more with my editing on my videos, so I can switch up my videos a little bit and make them a little bit better. And I'm also looking, now that I'm monetized, I'm looking into doing some marketing for my channel, and I'm going to start right here on YouTube and promoting my channel on YouTube with the money that I've made, and I want to see if promoting it that way will increase the number of views, likes, and subscribers I get compared to the organic growth that I've had up to this point. And I'm going to see where it takes me, and I want to take you along this journey with me. And I want to leave you with, I want to remind you, head down into my description and go grab that link for TubeBuddy if you want to start your own YouTube channel also, or you have a YouTube channel and you want to grow it more quickly. And with that, I want to say I hope that you're getting the money that you and your family deserve, and I want to say thanks.